Hi, gorgeous. Relax yourself and discover the breath within your body. Where is it resting? Where is it in you being renewed? Now, softly, gently send this energy to your feet. This ASMR meditation today is going to be about liking your energy, liking your body, liking who you are all inside and out. Because when a woman likes herself, when she loves herself, she fully embraces everything she is as a woman, she glows with a special radiance. So repeat after me. I like the energy in my toes. I like the energy in my soles. I like the energy in my feet. With every word that I say, every body part that I mention, I'm going to relax that area more and more. We're going to do feet one more time and slowly work our way up. I like the energy in my toes. I like the energy in my feet. I like the energy in my soul. I like the energy in my ankles. Soften your ankles. I like the energy in my calves. Soften your calves. I like the energy in my thighs. Soften your thighs. I like the energy in my outer thighs. Soften your outer thighs. I like the energy in my inner thighs. Soft energy in your inner thighs. I like the energy in my curves. I like the energy deep within my hips. I like the energy inside the Victoria's Secret design of my body. And I say that, if you think of the Victoria's Secret symbol of the V, think of those pink bags, the V represents your velvet area, and the S is the sparkle within your velvet. It's the sensual spirit that's within a woman's velvet area or her womb. So I love my Victoria's Secret design. Think of your V. I like the energy inside my velvet. I like the energy that makes up my velvet. I love the softness of my velvet. I love the delicateness of my velvet. I like the energy in my stomach. I like the energy in my breast. I like the energy in my fingers. I like the energy in my arms. I like the energy in my shoulders. I like the energy in my hair or my head. I like the energy in my mind. Got some sexy energy in my minds. I like the energy in my eyes. I like the energy in my cheeks. I like that energy in my lips. Now, still focus on your lips. We're going to focus again in your Victoria's Secret design that's between your thighs. Softly focusing on likening the energy between your lips and your Victoria's Secret design. From your lips in your velvet place. As you breathe from your lips to your velvet place, feel the breath get softer, almost like if you were to spray a perfume bottle. Visualize the fragrance of the perfume gently falling to your velvet. So continue to visualize you're spraying a bottle of perfume. This fragrance is falling into your velvet place. Love the energy in my feet. Still keep focused to your lips in your velvet place, your lips in your Victoria's Secret design. I love the energy in my calves. I love the energy in my thighs. The energy in my ankles. The energy in my fingers. I love the energy in my arms. I love the energy in my thighs. I love the energy in my glutes. I love the energy in my ears. I love the energy in my essence. Feel your breath get softer and softer. I love the energy in my Victoria's Secret design too. Kisses to you for loving and liking yourself. I'll see you next time, beautiful. I hope you feel so much more relaxed and delicious now.